Hello everyone, myself Priyanka. Today we are going to take a look at Cloud Architecture and Security project presented by team Cumulus Cyber. These are our teammates Indrajit, Fernando and myself Priyanka. For this project we have effective planning and approach. We as a team worked in collaboration. We analyzed the objective of assignment and followed divide and conquer objective as per teammates' domain expertise. The objective of this project is to provide a comprehensive security to WordPress site launched in AWS cloud environment. We have learned many key elements of the cloud architecture and security and effectively designed a secure solution. While planning this project end-to-end solution using AWS cloud, we have thought of having a basic framework, that is LAMP stack setup. On top of it, we have installed WordPress site, and then we have planned using AWS cloud monitoring tools provided like CloudWatch. Also third-party tools we have explored Datadog for monitoring and securing the infrastructure. Attention has been given for hardening the security by applying add-ons to the WordPress site. Also, rigorous testing efforts has been given and due diligence has been practiced to deliver a secure, quality approved project. Also, we thought about the longevity of the business using AWS S3 Glacier. We will take a look at the implementation part of the projects. I would like to hand over to Indrajit to explain further.
Thank you, Priyanka. Initially, I will start showing the status of LAMP server and WordPress. I will showcase the commands that will entail the installation of LAMP server and WordPress. As we can see that Apache server is up and running. Now I will show you the status of MariaDB server. As we can see, MariaDB server is also up and running. To showcase WordPress is up and running, we will navigate to our WordPress site. This is our WordPress site, and here you can see we have configured our WordPress site with SSL certificate. Now I would like to show you the plugins that we have installed to enhance our security. First plugin we have installed is multi-factor authentication, that is MiniOrange two-factor authentication. We have used Google Authenticator for our multi-factor authentication. There are also other options like OTP, SMS and also messaging for and security questions for configuration this two-factor authentication. Second plugin that we have installed is Disable XML RPC API. To ensure the security of WordPress through SaaS perspective, we have installed this plugin to mitigate two vulnerabilities regarding brute force attack and DDoS attack, which we have added in the report. Third plugin which we have installed is for backup and restore purposes. We have used Updraft Plus plugin. Here we can see that we can take an instantaneous backup, or we can also go in the settings option and see that we can take a weekly schedule, that is we can take a scheduled backup as well, and we can store that backup on our Google Drives or any of the other cloud devices. The fourth plugin which we have installed is for basic monitoring purposes. We have used WP Activity Log. Here we can see different actions performed by all the users logging onto the WordPress site, along with multiple details like severity, IP, event type, and message. Now let us take a look at our monitoring tool provided by the AWS, which is CloudWatch. Here we have created a dashboard for high CPU utilization, which gets refreshed for every 3 hours. We can change the timing for 1 minute as well. Here we can see that we have created an alarm for high CPU utilization.
Now we are going to talk about our website's configuration. Okay, first of all, we have our EC2 instance where are running all our services, and we associated one elastic IP address, which is which our DNS has that destination. And another thing is we download SSL from SSL for free. It's 90 days valid, and we can see that our certificate is valid until Monday 21st of October. KMS is running on our cloud. So we created a key, which is a symmetric key. And the main purpose of this key is to encrypt our snapshots. So as we can see here, our snapshot, we have snapshots, and our snapshots are encrypted under the same key. Now we are going to talk about autoscaling group. In order to take advantage of the cloud, the elasticity, we can scale out or scale in case we need. We can scale out our EC2 instances. So let's see our configuration. The desired capacity is 2, maximum capacity is 2, and maximum capacity is 2. And let's see our policy. We have created a policy that the main purpose of this policy is to analyze the average of our CPU. If it's at 50%, it's going to scale out during the analyzing 60 seconds. This is the main policy that we configured. Another thing that we can show is that the autoscaling group will launch an EC2 instance that we have here, the template that we created. That template was made from the first EC2 instance that we configured. So first of all, we configured all our services that we needed. Then we took a snapshot, and from that snapshot we created an image, and from that image we created a template. So basically that is going to launch in case we need is our template, which is the same that we have. So as we can see, the name of that template is image underscore lamp, and it's T2 micro, and even the key is the same that we were using on the first EC2 instance.
The attacks, being cybersecurity expert, we should have the clear understanding of security posture of the project. So that's the reason we decided to explore Nessus Scan and run on our host. So I will show you. Nessus scan reports run on the host where we can see vulnerability as per their criteria. These are critical, high, medium, low info. So these are medium and info vulnerability on our host. Critical vulnerability has been gone after securing the site. To talk more upon security aspect of the project, we thought about backup and restore, where we have used S3 bucket to create regular backup of MariaDB. So here we have S3 bucket in place, and this S3 bucket is associated with the instance where LAMPstack and WordPress site is running. To integrate the backup of MariaDB on S3 bucket with regular interval, we need to have IAM role, as a student account does not allow us to create the role. We could not implement further the regular backup frequency. Furthermore, we have decided to explore RDS. So we have created this we have tried to create this configuration with standard create option, MariaDB. This has intention to copy MariaDB backup on top of RDS database. Then here default secure AWS Secret Manager key management tool has been used. This option has been selected. And here we encounter this role, assumed role, this particular role limitation. This is not authorized to create this RDS database. For archiving long database, we need to have some facility. So we explored this AWS S3 Glacier service, and here we tried to create Glacier vaults. So here we have created test vault. Which is in the same region where our AWS instance is running. Also, we have used snapshot facility. So as and when required, we can restore those snapshots. Also, we have explored new feature for disaster and backup recovery. Thank you so much for your attention. Feel free to comment if anything is not clear or you have any query. Thank you.